Okay, I'm going to finish up our area formulas that we were working on in class today. So let's look at this figure together and see how we can break it up. So in class, we chose to break up the circles as like these two little green chunks that were congruent. So we can see that we have one entire green circle. So the area of that circle would be pi times its radius. Excuse me. Times its radius squared. So we would look and we would grab our pen to find that the radius, it does not want me to do this, that the radius is 2. R equals 2. And we could find the area of that circle. The area is, I don't know why I rewrote that. Sorry, guys. Pi times 2 squared, or 4 pi. Okay, so remember that we have half of this on the left, half is on the right, and half is on the left of the picture. So here, we on the left-hand side, let's move where I wrote the letter R. We know that R was 2. So we know that this chunk is 2 pi, and that this chunk is also 2 pi. Half of the area went on the left, and half of the area went on the right. Let's try again with the circle. I'm going to try to keep the colors consistent with class. We did the top circle in purple, and its radius is 3. So we know that the area of the circle is pi r squared as well. But remember, we only have half of the purple circle. So when we go to find this answer, we would do pi times 3 squared over 2. That means we have 9 pi over 2. So the area of the circle over 2, or half of the circle, is 4.5 pi. So inside of there, I'm going to write that the area of that semicircle is 4.5 pi. Now, what we had remaining were red triangles at the top. So we do know that we're going to need to find the area of this triangle and the area of this triangle. Now, they are congruent. So, on the right-hand side again, the area of a triangle is 1/2 times its base times its height. Well, the base here is 2, and so is the height for both of the red triangles. So that would be 1/2 times 2 times 2, or 1/2 times 4, which means the area of each of those triangles is 2 units squared. So each red triangle has an area of 2 units squared. Okay, I'm going to move down to the bottom of the figure and find the area of the triangle on the bottom, which I just cannot remember what color we used in class. So I'm going to go with like yellow. Hopefully we can see it. Yep, it's pretty clear. The area of this triangle down at the bottom is my next step. Okay, so I'm going to measure its base and height. So the area of this triangle is 1/2 base times height. And that would be, the base would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units with a height of 2. So that's 1/2 of 20, which is equal to 10 units. So the area of the big yellow triangle is 10 units. The only thing we have left to find the area of is the giant rectangle in the center of this picture. And so we know the area of a rectangle is length times width. So this would be 10 times 4, or a total of 40 units squared. So all together on the bottom, guys, our area would be 2 pi plus 2 pi plus 4.5 pi. That's the area of all 3 semicircles. Now I'll add in the triangles. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 10. That was 2 red triangles plus a yellow triangle. Then I'll finally add in the area of the rectangle in the inside. So just to make sure we're crystal clear on how we might try to combine this, that's 8.5 pi, if we add all the pi's together, plus 54. Okay? So if we have 8.5 pi plus 54, I gotta put in my calculator. 8.5 times 3.14 plus 54 is, this would be units squared. So our area is equal to 80.69 units squared. Okay. That is the area of this entire figure.